India has officially overtaken Japan to become the world's fourth largest economy in nominal GDP terms, a historic milestone that reflects our rapid economic growth. But here's what we need to understand. Just because India is ranked fourth in total GDP doesn't mean every Indian is suddenly rich. Let's break down the terms. GDP, or gross domestic product, is the total value of goods and services produced in a country. It shows the overall size of the economy. But GDP per capita, which divides that total by the population, tells us the average income per person. Now, while India is ranked fourth in total GDP, our GDP per capita rank is around 136. The average income comes out to about 2,25,000 rupees per year, roughly $2,700. But here's the reality check. The top 1% of Indians hold over 40% of the country's wealth. So what happens if we remove that top 1% from the equation? The average income for the remaining 99% drops to just around 1,20,000 rupees per year, or roughly $1,400. That's barely 10,000 rupees a month. And that's the income most Indians are actually living on. It shows how deep the inequality runs. So yes, India is rising fast. But for most people, day-to-day life hasn't transformed yet. The real growth we need isn't just in big numbers, but in inclusive development. Better education, healthcare, infrastructure, and fair income opportunities for everyone. Because at the end of the day, the true success of our economy won't be measured by how rich the top 1% become, but by how many millions we can lift into the middle class.